Alright, what's going on, guys? Another Corolla video. So I'm gonna go ahead and strip the interior, take out the dash, and just like clean up the interior of the car. I'm sorry that there's not actually like anything like big going on as far as like putting a new motor or anything like that. Buying the car itself kind of set me just a little bit back, and not that it wasn't it was kind of like last minute, I would say. Not really unexpected, because I knew about it for a couple weeks. So but you know, it's been rainy in Houston, so I haven't really been making that much money lately, and you know, things for this car are a little expensive. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and just strip the interior, take everything out. I'm gonna attempt to take out the dashboard and see what we're working with as far as the back, because I know like I'm gonna have to like mess with the chassis harness and all that. I'm gonna try to strip everything in the engine bay as well, so that's like all the wiring, the brackets and everything. I'm gonna try to do that as well. And then and yeah, so again, sorry that the lighting is the way it is. I'm in the garage, so yeah, there's not really much I can do for that. But anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I might just use the GoPro just because it's just like smaller and the battery just lasts a little bit longer than the G7X. I do have another battery charging, but you know, you never know. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and you're gonna see that right now. All right, so took out the seats from the 8.6. Again, I'm not sure what seats they are. I think they kind of look modern, so I'm thinking they're like 2000 Toyota Celica seats. But don't quote me on that, I'm not too sure. It looks like they put in their own studs and then just like kind of bolted it in that way. What are you gonna do? It's not a brand new car, so I would be pissed if it was in the BRZ. Like, I don't know if you guys saw it, but like when I had the bolts. Alright, so what I think now, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is concentrate on taking out the center console and then try to take out the dashboard. So I'm gonna take out all of this, I'm gonna take out all of that. The reason why I want to take all that out and everything is because I don't know, I'm gonna take out the carpets. It's gonna be stripped down. I'm gonna vacuum everything. I'm gonna clean it all up, make sure there's no like nasty like rust or anything like that, like with the Blazer, because that Blazer was really bad. You guys didn't see that video. But yeah, so I just want to make sure that this car is not like you know, another rust bucket, obviously. I kind of didn't really get a chance to look underneath, but the previous owner was a pretty good friend of mine, so I have it on good authority that it's not like a piece of crap, basically. And he used to drive it all the time, but ended up selling the engine and all that. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and take the center console out. The good thing about like old Toyotas, 90s, 80s Toyotas cars and stuff like that, it's pretty much just held in by like freaking screws, like literally just screws. You just take them out and then that's it. So we're gonna strip everything out. That means all the panels, all the kick panels, everything. Then I'm gonna try to take out the dashboard. I've never taken out a dashboard out of any car ever, so I might have to look it up. But yeah, I mean, other than that, I mean, like it's looking pretty solid as far as like chassis goes. I mean, that's what I wanted. I honestly, I really wanted a clean, like a pretty good chassis, like a good starter chassis, and I think this is definitely a good start. Just like minor surface rust and stuff like that, so it's not bad. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and take all this stuff out, and then we'll go ahead and vacuum it out and try to make it look pretty and do some detailing magic to it. This is that old carpet. This is a little bit easier to clean than like the new carpet, which like the new carpet is like freaking like made out of like synthetic hairs or something like that. I don't know, but this is like real carpet, so this should be a little bit easier to clean with like a brush and a vacuum. And I have the rotary, the carpet brush attachment for the drill, so it should make my job so much easier as far as that goes. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take this out, take the shifter out, because I'm gonna actually sell the transmission. So if anybody, if I still have it, but if any of you guys are looking for a T50 transmission, a stock 4A GE transmission with a TRD short shifter, this is a real deal TRD short shifter. I might not sell the knob, but I'll see what's going on. Actually, I might keep the short shifter. I don't know. Probably sell the whole thing. I really want the, I'm gonna go 6 speed anyway, so I don't know why I would keep it. Probably just for like resale value. I don't know. We'll see. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start and all that stuff. So, yeet. Alright guys, and we're back working on the Corolla. I kind of just got done washing somebody's car and vacuuming out the Corolla. So yeah, I went ahead and took out the rest of the dash. I was able to take out the carpet and I guess the condenser. I guess it's a condenser, but it's like the condenser box or whatever. So yeah, I vacuumed out. I'm starting to clean the back, like all the interior, like of all the dust. Starting to clean up the back with everything that, you know, all the dust and all the dirt and all that stuff. So I'm starting to take that out. I use the vacuum to go ahead and vacuum everything up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and then I'm, you know, using all-purpose cleaner to clean up in there. But I'm gonna go ahead and hit everything. Like the back seat I already kind of did, and it looks way better. Like if you see here, it's dusty, and then over here it's like darker. So so yeah, that looks good. So what I'm gonna do is get the super degreaser from Meguiar's detailer. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the back and degrease like all the sides and everything, just in case. But yeah, I'm gonna use the degreaser, then I'm gonna come do the floorboard and then do that. So yeah, let's see what it looks like right now. Alright, so as you can see, like, it looks a lot better as opposed to like that side where it's like not really as blue, but you can tell it's like dusty, and this side is like less dusty and there's more blue. And then of course the back seats look so much better, like the back panel or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do it for the rest of the car, off camera obviously, and then I'll come back to when I'm actually doing some more work on the car. Alright, so bit of a mess. So yeah, we went ahead and cleaned up the interior of it. It's not like 100% clean, but it's a lot better than it was before. There was a security system in this car, like an alarm or something, but it didn't work, so I went ahead and just yanked it out, and it freed up a lot of unnecessary wiring down there. But I'm gonna do some research on it and see if it's any good, because, you know, who wouldn't want a security system? So it's all this right here, all this wiring. Kind of hate having all that wiring in my car, but yeah. So here's another perspective. But yeah, it's a lot cleaner on the floor pan actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep the sound deadening in the car. I'm definitely gonna daily drive this car, so I want it to be a fun car. You know, I want it to be comfortable and stuff like that. So the sound deadening is gonna just, you know, eliminate some noise. So so yeah, I think I'm gonna just go ahead and close out the episode here. I'm gonna split it up in a few parts because there's a lot of cleaning and stuff that's got to get done. But you know, if you guys have any questions or if you guys have any comments as far as like the 8.6 goes, or if you guys have parts, interior parts, I might want to go ahead and cop a bit. But yeah, so I don't know, just hit me up. Again, if you have any comments, any suggestions, go ahead and throw them down. Anything I should do right now that the dash is out, please let me know, because I don't want to like take it apart, put it back in, and then take it apart again. I would love another dash, of course, because this one does have cracks. I was thinking about maybe flocking this dash because it's cracked, and I mean, and all that, but I don't know. And I've never flocked a dash, but I don't think it'll flow with the way that I want this car looking. I want it kind of looking like original-ish. So if anyone has a lead on a uncracked dash, let me know. But I'm not willing to spend $1,000 for a dash, you know, whatever their price is. So yeah, go ahead, subscribe now, and thank you guys for watching.